Good morning, children. Today we will start with chapter 26, that is conjunctions. Children, you must have learnt about joining words in your previous classes. So, a conjunction is a joining word. Okay? A conjunction is a joining word. It joins words, group of words, or sentences. Now, and, but, or, and, because. They are some of the commonly used conjunctions, or we can say they are some of the commonly used joining words. Now, today I'll let you know when and where to use conjunctions, okay? So now let's understand when and where we use conjunctions. Now look at these sentences, children. Lucy and Mary are sisters. Now here, and is the word that joins the two words Lucy and Mary. Okay? Do you know when do we use and? And is used to join two similar ideas in a sentence. Okay? Now here the word and is joining two words, Lucy and Mary. Look at the next sentence. These mangoes are ripe and sweet. Now here again we have used the conjunction and, right? And like I told you that and is used to join two similar ideas. Look at the next sentence now. John is fat but Nina is slim. Now here the word but joins the two sentences. John is fat, Nina is slim. Now children, but is used to join sentences that have opposite ideas. Like here we are saying that John is fat, but Nina is slim. So fat and slim, they are two opposite ideas. Okay? So but is used to join sentences that have opposite ideas. Now let's see the next sentence. Is this man old or young? Now here the word or. Is this man old or young? Now here the word or joins the two words old and young. So children, the word or, it is used to join words or sentences that offer a choice. Okay? So here you have choice, old or young. So, to join words or sentences that offer a choice, we use or. Okay? Next, Robin could not catch the train because he was late. Now, the word because joins the two sentences here. The first sentence is Robin could not catch the train. And the next sentence is he was late. And here the word because is joining these two sentences. So, because is used to express a reason or say why something happens. Now children, here a question comes now. Why Robin could not catch the train? And the reason given is he was late. Okay? So the sentence in which we need to give reason that then we use because. Okay? So sentences in which we need to give reason, then we use which conjunction? We use because. Okay? So words like and, but, or, and because. They are what? They are some of the commonly used conjunctions. And conjunctions are what, children? Conjunctions are joining words. Okay? Conjunctions joins words, group of words or sentences. And here we have seen it all. Here and is joining two words, Lucy and Mary. Similarly, here and is joining two words again, ripe and sweet. Okay? Now the word but here is joining two sentences. John is fat and Nina is slim. These two sentences are joined by using the conjunction but. Then we have or. Is this man old or young? Now here also we saw that the word or is joining two words, that is old and young. And here the conjunction used is because, which is again joining two sentences. The first sentence is Robin could not catch the train, and the second sentence is he was late. Children, you will understand this better when we will do some exercises. So let's start with the book exercises given on page number 70. Underline the conjunctions in these sentences. Ravi is fond of fruits and green vegetables. Now here the conjunction is and. Ravi is fond of fruits and green vegetables. Next, Ram Kumar is poor but honest. Now here we have but as the conjunction. Next, is Ruchi a good dancer or a good singer? Or. Right? Next, everybody loves Rahman because he is sincere. Because is the conjunction here. Rekha is honest and hardworking. And. Keep quiet or go away. Now here we have or as the conjunction. Next, he ran fast but missed the train. But. Next, she carried an umbrella because it was hot. Now here we have because as the conjunction. Next, we will take a bus or a taxi. Or. She was tired but she went on working. What is the conjunction here, children? Yes, but is the conjunction here. So children, let me tell you once again that when we are talking about two similar ideas, we use and. When we are talking about opposite ideas, then opposite ideas are joined by using the conjunction but, and is used to join two similar ideas. Then we have or. Or is used to join words or sentences that offer a choice. Okay? Here we have a choice now. Is Ruchi a good dancer or a good singer? So the choice between two things is there. Good dancer or a good singer. Then because. And as I told you, because is used to express a reason or say why something happens. Okay? Now next we have fill in the blanks. Now fill in the blanks with and or but or because. Both Sam - John are in the team. So we will use and here. The word and joins these two words. Sam and John. Next, she is smart, kind - intelligent. Again, we will use and. She is smart, kind and intelligent. Children, we also use and when we have to add information. Okay? Next, tea is hot. Ice cream is cold. Now two opposite ideas are here, hot and cold. So we will use the conjunction but. Tea is hot but ice cream is cold. These are two opposite ideas, right? So we have used but. Next, is our new teacher old? Dash, is she young? Now two choices you have between old and young, right? So we will use or. Is our new teacher old or is she young? Next, Mukesh is intelligent dash careless. Now here we will use but because we are talking about two different ideas here. Okay? So Mukesh is intelligent but careless. Next, we cannot eat these mangoes dash they are sour. Now why can't we eat these mangoes? The reason is they are sour. So what will we use here? We will use because. Right? Because as I told you that we use the conjunction because when we express a reason or when we say why something happens. Okay? So we cannot eat these mangoes because they are sour. The reason given is what? They are sour. The mangoes are sour. Now children, the next two you will try on your own. So do 7th and 8th on your own, right? Now rest of the exercise of the topic conjunctions we will take up in the next class. Okay children? So that's all for today. Thank you.